Hey everyone, today I want to show OSPF deep packet inspection and filtering using eBPF XDP, which stands for Express Data Path. The task for today, what I want to achieve, is to allow only local announcements from OSPF Watcher and drop everything else. You can see two Wireshark windows on the sides and XDP output in the middle. Wireshark window on the left shows packet sent by FRR instance of OSPF Watcher, whereas the window on the right shows a dump of packets from egress interface here, which is behind XDP. There are also two console sessions of FRR instance and one of the network device. So the first test case is just change cost of the tunnel interface and see that such announcement will be allowed. Let's go to the jury interface and change cost from 1 to 2. So XDP detected this LS update, link state update, and we can see metric 2 exists in the link state update. It exists in both Wireshark sessions, before XDP and right after XDP filtering, and we see such effect on network device. Right, then let's try to announce the network which is not assigned on the watcher. I will do it via assigning a secondary IP address on the tunnel interface. Right, and we see the XDP debug message that LSA is dropped because it includes more than 2 links. Let's check it. This message, it includes the secondary stub network, which we just assigned on the interface, but we don't see such announcement which sends to our network, and network devices, they do not know about this. Once we remove such a network from the device, it's also removed from the announcement, and we see immediate effect, and such LSA is allowed. Right, so let's try to announce static. We have static interface already static route was already configured. So let's see. Let's check announcement. It has LSA type 5, and we see that LSA is dropped because it includes non-LSA 1 announcements. So let's check what is allowed. It's allowed only local networks, and network devices, they also don't know about LSA 5, but based on the flags they identified that OSPF Watcher becomes ASWare. Even if we try to clear OSPF process, we should see database descriptions announcement. Here we are. It includes the header of LSA type 1, which is in allow list, but it also includes LSA type 5. But we see that database drop because it includes more than one LSA. We expect that OSPF Watcher will announce only one LSA, and such database description is not allowed. Initial database with just a sequence number is allowed, but the second one not. And as a result, the network device also doesn't know about this. If we remove and clear process, here we are. Such announcement with just LSA type 1 is allowed. Thanks for watching.